Choosing a right product is not easy nowadays. So we are here to help you. We put products in our list after researching on them, after checking the quality of products, and also after different experiments. We categorized products and also their rankings. We always list quality products that are suitable for our subscribers. The best thing is we try to give high quality products in affordable price. Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is.
On Amazon you will get a number of different products. But we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. 20,000 RPM. Free speed at 90 psi. For heavy-duty applications of the die grinder. Rear air exhaust of the electric die grinder helps blow exhaust away from work surface. Touch control trigger of DeWalt die grinder allows user to apply needed amount of power. See more product details. Tails, 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 tails.
The number 3 on the list is.
Choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. Metal. Imported. Powerful motor with precision gearing offers 0.25 HP. 0.19 kilowatts. At 21,000 revolutions per minute free speed. The 301B grinder includes ball bearing construction and precision machined steel gears for elongated tool life. Easy to use. Integral safety lock throttle lever prevents accidental start-up. Strong aluminum housing withstands tough operating conditions. The right angle of the 301B allows for easier access to hard-to-reach places. Show more.
The number 2 on the list is.
Power. Motor delivers 0.33 HP, 0.25 kilowatts, and 25,000 revolutions per minute free speed. Piped away exhaust ready. These die grinders are compatible with piped away exhaust kits, so you can transfer exhaust away from you and your workspace. Durable. Ball bearing construction improves balance, reduces vibration, and ensures a longer life. Reliability. Integral safety lock throttle lever prevents accidental start-up. Lightweight. At only 1 pound. The ergonomic composite housing protects this tool from cold air and offers greater operator comfort. Built-in lubricating wick increases angle gear life. Rear exhaust directs air away from the operator. Show more.
The number 1 on the list is.
This product comes with premium quality and affordable price. Compact plus light. Ingersoll Rand Air Die Grinder 3101G Edge series is light but sturdy. At only 1.3 pounds. It has a ball-bearing construction and is exceptionally rugged, compact, and lightweight. 1/3 HP motor. It is powered by compressed air, not electric, and comes equipped with a 1/3 horsepower motor, a 1/4 inch collet, a rear exhaust, and a self-locking throttle. With 20,000 RPM, it will power through difficult jobs. Lubricant feeder. There is a grease-fitting hole on top to easily and conveniently feed lubricants. Lubricating the angle gears on a regular basis can help increase the tool's lifespan. Applications. Use as a handheld power rotary tool for grinding, porting, polishing, deburring, and weld breaking. The angled shape is best for confined and hard-to-reach places. Ergonomic design. Contoured grip gives greater comfort and control, and its ergonomic design delivers exceptional torque precision, as well as increased productivity and safety. See more product details.